Should we reposition Rob a little? Grab my morning woods, Jay. Which one has the... that one. Okay. Hope I'm not fucking on my GoPro touching the ground and stuff with it. So, kind of bang into shit. You know. Okay. Give it some slack. Thank you. Yo. I'm not gonna mess with that. It's too hard to put it on these, man. Okay. 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 Alright, baby. Come on, baby. Let's go party, man. Chicken quack, chicken quack. Alright, you guys, so finally it's burrito time. Because yesterday, it's not that I wouldn't record or whatever, it doesn't matter. But yesterday, yeah, up at Doubles, I can't eat. You know, I mean, the elevation is just too crazy. Messes with your stomach, you know. So yeah. Oh. Yeah, cheers. Okay. Blair. Blair. Ladies. You good, you good?
Did I hit your toe?
Nah, it's all good. Hey. Yeah, yo, Rob. That thing. I love Aston Martins, man.
148, sector one.
Right now we're gonna clean up, pack up. We're gonna go home, shower, and rest a little bit because most of us slept about 2, maybe if we were lucky 2.5 hours, depending on how we went to bed. So I'm not gonna record none of this. It's just, you know, we're gonna pack up, put the warmers away, put everything in the trailer. So this was the bottom section, and then I see you guys in the next one. Hey, buddy.
Hey, man. You want some ham?
Do it.
You think he'd eat Swiss cheese? It's the same dude.
It is, but you didn't go piece of meat. Wait, do they eat meat?
I don't know.
No,
I
they
don't
don't.
think so. Can we give him Swiss cheese? Do you think he'd eat it?
Nigga, we have salad. Give him some salad.
Yeah, give me some salad.
We're gonna give you a salad.
Sorry for your spring mix, man.
That's a trip, dude. I've never been this close to a deer.
Hey, I think we could get him, huh? Yeah, I think so.
Yeah, that's right.
He didn't seem to like the spring mix.
Not a fan, huh? Yeah. You need some nice dressing on it.
I'm pretty sure he'll eat it.
You seem very chill, bro. Nice.
What are you supposed to do with this?
Just let him be. Yeah.
What are you supposed to do?